Okay, this is just a review of our bladder patterns. Let's welcome Mom Trix of Manila. Sister Rosa, you can join in. What are the
Yes.
functions of the urinary bladder?
It removes water by qi transformation. It also store and discharge urine and storing and eliminating urine.
Yeah, that's why if you cannot eliminate water, then there is a problem. Yeah, it also stores and discharges urine, stores and eliminates. Okay, what is the feel for bladder patterns? Or what will make you think that your patient has a bladder issue?
They'll have urinary problems. So there's discomfort, pain, difficulty, frequency, and control problems.
Yeah, this.
Dampness in the lower burner. So there's turbid urine, difficulty in urination. There's also sinking of qi, frequent urination or incontinence.
Okay.
There's also chronic cystitis, usually not a real infection, but sinking.
Okay.
They will also have dark thoughts of jealousy and suspicion.
Jealousy and suspicion.
Suspicion.
I never thought they were connected, no? So you should consult Sister Rosa for jealousy. Yeah. Sinking of the chi, dampness in the lower. Yes. Okay. Bladder channel pathology. What are the key signs and symptoms?
Retention of urine and malaria. So other signs and symptoms. We have enuresis, manic and depressive mental disorder, pain of eyes, lacrimation when exposed to wind, nasal obstruction, rhinorrhea, epistaxis, headache, pain in nape, back, low back, buttocks, and posterior aspect of the lower
Yeah.
limbs.
So this is the bladder channel. Remember the eyes, no? Okay. What are the deficient bladder patterns?
Uh, the
Or
bladder deficiency and cold.
yeah, we discussed this at length earlier, di ba? What about the excess full bladder patterns? The most common one.
We have damp heat in the bladder and damp cold.
Yes. Okay. Signs and symptoms of bladder deficiency and cold.
And cold. Frequent pale, abundant urination. Other symptoms and signs. There's incontinence, enuresis, lower backache, dizziness, nocturne, white urethral discharge, feeling of cold. The tongue is pale and wet, and the pulse is deep weak.
Yeah, this is supposed to be nocturia. Nocturne. Nocturne is a composition. Okay, for night. Okay, causes of bladder deficiency and cold.
Um, Excess sex, it weakens the kidney yang. Exposure to cold, damp, women with women, especially during menstruation, they're vulnerable to invasion of cold.
Yeah.
Excess
Exercise is good,
exercise also,
but do not
but excess,
exercise too
yeah.
much.
And that's why they have what's that uh in too much exercise it
Yeah. It
uh,
depletes
in
your chi.
another like a problem with the kidney rombo something. I can remember that.
Wow.
There's a term for that. Eh. When you do too much exercise, you'll have a problem with your kidneys.
Yes. If you also don't exercise, you'll have a problem with your spleen. Okay. And spleen and kidney, they work together, diba? Okay, treatment principles for bladder deficiency and cold.
Tonify and warm bladder and kidney yang.
So we have to do moxa here. Points.
The points are bladder 23, Do 4. Moxa tonify the kidney and the bladder.
Mm.
Bladder 28. It's the backshoe of the bladder. Run 4. Moxa to strengthen the qi and yang in the lower burner. Run 3. The front move, the bladder. Run 6. Tonifies qi and the lower burner. And do 20, which tonifies and lifts qi.
Yeah.
So you prevent enuresis and incontinence.
Okay, let's go to the dump heat in the bladder, signs and symptoms.
Burning urination in urethra, dark urine, difficult urination, stopping mid-flow. Other signs and symptoms, frequent and urgent urination, dribbling urination, turbid urine, blood in urine, stones in urine, lumbago fever, thirst with no desire to drink, hypogastric fullness and pain, feeling of heat. Tongue is thick, sticky yellow coat on root with red spots, and pulse is slippery, rapid.
Causes of dump heat in the bladder.
Excess exposure to damp and cold leading to dampness in bladder, which turns to damp heat. You also have emotional or bottled up suspicion or jealousy.
Treatment principles for dump heat.
Resolve dampness, clear heat, open water passages of the lower burner.
Points of dump heat in the bladder.
Renfrey, bladder 66, spleen 6 and 9 to resolve damp from the lower burner. Bladder 22 stimulates transformation of water in the lower burner. It also opens water passages. Bladder 28, the backshoe of the bladder. It clears heat in the bladder. Bladder 63, accumulation or the sheet left point. It stops acute pain or urination. And stomach 28, it promotes transformation of fluids in the lower burner. It also contributes to resolving dampness.
Okay, damp cold in the bladder, signs and symptoms.
Difficult urination, feeling of heaviness, pale or turbid urine. Other signs and symptoms, frequent and urgent urination, feeling of heaviness in hypogastrium and urethra. Tongue is white sticky coat on root. Pulse is slippery, slow, and slightly wiry on left shore position.
Causes of damp cold in the bladder.
Spleen Qi deficiency, excess exposure to dampness and cold, kidney yang deficiency, predisposing factor for urinary problems, which can lead to kidney yang deficiency.
Treatment principles for damp cold.
To resolve dampness, expel cold, remove obstruction from the lower burner's water passages.
Points of damp cold in the bladder.
Uh, Renfrey, stomach 28, spleen 6 and 9, to resolve dampness in the lower burner. Bladder 22, it opens water passages in the Santiao backshoe. Bladder 28, the backshoe of the bladder. Ren 9, dampness, it resolves dampness in general. Reducing and moxa if cold is pronounced.
Interstitial cystitis, what is it?
It's the uncomfortable bladder pressure and pain, urinary frequency and urgency, burning sensation, urinary hesitancy, suprapubic pain and distension, occasionally slight incontinence, nocturia, no T or P noted.
Yeah, you don't see anything on the tongue or pulse. Main bladder function.
T transformation, that is the transforming and excreting fluids by the power of T.
Where does the bladder receive the chi for the transformation function?
Uh, it receives the chi for transformation from the kidneys.
Yes, the kidney.
So,
So take care of the kidneys. Okay.
yes.
It's the most common pathological factor in bladder patterns.
Accumulation of dampness.
Yes. Remember dampness. What is the general etiology for bladder patterns?
First is climate, then emotions and excess of sexual
Yes. Okay. Talk about the climate.
excessive exposure to cold and damp weather, sitting on damp surfaces, living in damp places. It can lead to accumulation of dampness in the bladder. It manifests as damp cold or damp heat, even if it derives from exterior cold.
So damp cold can become damp heat. No? What leads to damp heat in tropical countries?
The excessive exposure to damp heat in tropic leads to accumulation of damp heat in the bladder.
Yeah. So we are very prone. Number tropical country and one.
Yes.
What about emotions?
Uh, the bladder is affected by fear. So in children, fear or anxieties or insecurity leads to sinking of chi in the bladder, resulting in nocturnal enuresis. With adults, there's suspicion and jealousy over a long period of time.
Okay, talking about the children, I think this is the fault of the parents or the
Mm.
yaya. They
Uh,
usually scare
yes.
the child, diba? Okay, what
Mm-mm.
about excess sex? How can it affect the bladder?
Excessive sexual activity depletes kidney yang and indirectly affects the bladder as it derives its energy from the kidney yang. This
Okay,
can result in frequent and abundant urination, nocturia, or incontinence.
okay. In the clinic, what is damp heat in the bladder? What are the signs and symptoms?
Symptoms. Frequent and urgent urination, burning on urination, dark urine, difficult urination or stopping in the middle of flow, dark yellow and or turbid urine, blood in urine, sand in urine, fever, thirst with no desire to drink, hypogastric fullness and pain, and feeling of heat.
Okay, what is the tongue picture in damp heat in the bladder?
It would look red with thick, sticky yellow coating on root with red spots.
Okay, the pulse in damp heat in the bladder.
So you feel a rapid, slippery, slightly wiry on the left rear position.
Treatment for damp heat in the bladder.
Uh, so we resolve dampness, clear heat, open the water passages of the lower burner. So the method is reducing and no moxa.
Yeah, because of damp heat.
The
What
heat.
about bladder deficient and cold in the clinic?
We have frequent pale, abundant urination, incontinence, enuresis, lower backache, dizziness, nocturia, white urethral discharge, and feeling of cold.
The tongue in UB deficiency and cold.
It will be pale and wet,
Yes. The pulse in UB deficiency and cold.
weak and deep.
And finally, the treatment for UB deficiency and cold.
So we tonify and warm the bladder and the kidney yang. So method is reinforcing. Moxa is applicable.
Wow. Thank you so much, Mom
Thank you,
Trix. You
Dong.
did quite well.